you about in the last video. It's my chicken. It might be a little shaky, but itself. And I didn't do it that time either. Just making it so it doesn't fall. They're like dressy things, like they pretty much just dress them. You have to like wiggle to. They're really cool. So, I'm not that professional. I need to know how to. To drift and put my arms out, I have to drift between that space. Just gonna move this bike a little further to not feel like. Also, don't take this on ice. So there's this patch of ice that always goes when it's rain along my house. And one night it was like the Super Bowl or something. My cousin had some rain. pipe under that thing. I have a, you don't see, you don't want, you are gonna get one. You don't have to do one. I have a smaller one, but if you like, I like to do a lot of stretching, so that's good, but it's not huge, but it's not too small. And so good, you like, one yeah, my cold water for a second, but after a while, if you sit in the wet, then it starts. It just comes right over. I don't think it's not hard to do. Hey, you don't want too big one because you can't like too much with it. Like mine wouldn't fit. So and all that, but like if you have a smaller one, you're not gonna be able to do anything either. But a big one, you might be stretched and stuff, but like you aren't gonna get it that good. Okay, also. I don't recommend like I don't think they like these handlebars are like 2 feet in the air, and this is like a tiny one. Like I said, that's super tiny. Well, like you know, like that's not. Oh yeah. Minutes. Okay. Let me wipe my. Oh. Let me wipe my screen, or at least the camera. Sorry, someone's screaming in my house or something. Sorry. Or it's like the wind or something. Yeah, I just watched I love it. I'm like looking at my brother's dog and they're moving out actually just this week. And he was egg everywhere. I ran over to this wood guy. Do you know what you're doing? I mean, it's a very real thing. I mean, see, I did that. You need a lot of I don't know how I'm doing. No, I do, but not like I pick up that like I'll do that accidentally sometimes. But it's because the wheels can on the back turn like a lot. They can turn, if they're straight, they can turn like this or like this. Even probably more. Huh? Yeah, and they're kind of at a slight angle. Yeah, so if you have to pretty flat, both of them, and you're doing it reverse, you have to have certain speed, or you want speed, or not too much speed. And if you don't try to do it, like you have to know what you're doing, and you drive too good. Go forward, you're not gonna anyway, I was talking about how much I love this. So that's me. How good it is. I don't know how good it is. The quality sorry, not like that much. This. Wipe it off. Sorry. Zoom out. 1 second. Can't even see. No, let me tell you. Let me see. Oh, stop. Right now. Wildfire. It's not even that. Does this fix it? Oh, my brightness is all the way up. I need it all the way down because it like I don't turn it up. It just does it automatically. But sorry for this thing. What was I talking about? What was I talking about? Let me get this off. Oh yeah, the brightness. Let me see. Why is it all the way up? I just turned it all the way down. Like, it's so dumb. I don't know. So, wait, Okay, now let me go on the brightness. Look, over here where it's bright. Like, I think that settings. Yeah, no, it's like all the way up now. I never turn it up. Okay, I don't know why. It's a little dark out here because it wastes the battery so much, but I'm only at like 44%. But anyway, I'm gonna check my iPad. Have a good day, I guess. Whenever you see this, not, I don't know. Just say, taking it off right now. Go watch my videos. If you even made it this far into the video, then you are a legend. And what is it? Yeah, you're a legend, and maybe consider subscribing. Now I'm gonna turn off. Wait, 1 second. If you made it this far, I don't think anybody watches because, like, I said the one time, like, my cousin commented or something, and I told, like, them to, like or something. I said, like or something, and or like comment. Something like that. Anyway, bye. You're a legend. If you made it this far in the video, please subscribe. Yeah, you're a legend if you made it this far in the video. Bye.